Hello guys and welcome to today's video. So this video will be about Shopify. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that allows businesses of any size to create and manage their online stores. And however, let's start by creating our account. So here, start free trial and enjoy your first month of Shopify for $1 on select plans. So let's sign up now. So one of the key benefits of Shopify is its ease of use. The platform is designed with a simple, intuitive interface that makes it easy for even non-technical users to set up and manage an online store. It also offers a range of templates and themes that can be customized to create a unique professional-looking website without need of any coding skills. So let's get started. Which of these describes you? I'd help you to get set up based on the business you need. I'm just starting. I'm already selling online or in person. So let's just click on next. You can skip the question or you can skip all the questions. Where would you like to sell? An online store, in person, an existing website or blog, social media. We have online marketplace, and you can be not sure. It's easy to be not sure. Next, what do you plan to sell first? Products I buy or make myself, digital products, dropshipping products, services, branch on demand products. I will decide later. So another advantage of Shopify is its scalability. It can handle a wide range of online businesses from small independent sellers to large enterprises with multiple storefronts. So here, where will your business be located? So you can select the country, then click on next. Shopify's features include inventory management, payment processing, and shipping integration, making it all in one solution for running an online store. So create a Shopify ID. You can continue with your email, continue with the account, Apple account, your Facebook account, or just with Google. And Google is the easiest one. Redirection to Google, and we just choose the account. So Shopify also has a robust app store where users can find and install third-party apps to extend the platform functionally. So this includes everything from marketing and social media tools to accounting and inventory management software. With over 400 apps available, there is something for every type of online businesses. And while waiting for my stores to be built, don't forget to like and subscribe. So one of the few disadvantages of Shopify is the pricing structure. While it does offer 14 days free trial, users will need to pay a monthly subscription fees to use the platform. While the basic plan is affordable, additional features such as gift card, advanced reporting, and abandoned cart recovery can add up quickly, making Shopify an expensive option for some small businesses. So here we have the home, my own store, This I can edit it. Your trial just started. Trial on May 23 and we are on May 9th. Select a plan to extend your Shopify trial. We will see the plans later. Here you can set up a guide. You can add your first product. You can customize your online store. You can add pages to your store, organize your store, add custom domain, name your store, and set up a payment for provider. So there is a guide for you to create your store. Here we have the orders, the draft orders, and abandoned checkout. As I said, the the membership allows to auto check the abandoned cart. They have abandoned cart recovery. So here we have the products, collection, inventory, purchase order, transfer, and gift cards. And as I said earlier, the gift card is only for the paid membership. Here we have your customers. Here we have content, meta objects and files. And here we have the analytics, the reports, live view on your sales, your profits. Here we have the marketing, an online store, tools. We have the discounts you can add to your account. Here we have online store, point sell. Here you can add apps to your store, and most important thing, the settings. Here we have the detail, the store name. We have the phone number. You can edit those by clicking on the edit on the right corner. We have store contact mail, sender mail, confirm you have access to this account here. We have the billing information, the store currency, time zone, and unit of measurements. Unit of measurements. We have the metric system. We are not Americans. We have weight unit and time zone. Here we have the plans. So we are on a trial. 13 days remaining. You can deactivate the trial. We have the billing system, payment method, billing currency, subscriptions, bills, credit, statement charges. Here we have the user and permissions and payments. So here you can add your PayPal account and activate it. We have the checkout, customer account. We have the shipping and delivery taxes, duty location, gift cards, market, apps and sales channels, domains, customer events, brand notifications, custom data. We have languages and policies. Those are all the settings. And let's go back to home. So here, let's check the plans. So we have the basic plan, $1 per month. We have the Shopify. The first month only. We have the basic for $24, the Shopify for $69, the advanced for almost $300, and the starter for $5. All plans include shareable product page and limited products for 24/7 support, fraud analysis, abandoned cart recovery, manual order creation, sales channel, fast and reliable checkout, free SSL verification, sell in over 133 countries, and ecosystem within more than 400 apps, gift cards, and others. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.